check with them. Chef.
Kanun may balejun mem
na ko nasama yung urul nila urang sa akin.
This area was electrocuted here. And from then we are applying for electricity. Until now there is no electricity and only 4 posts are from there to here. We have been arranging with so many people here like the FA department here, Lambasa, and even Suva, Latoka. And the quotation they are giving, we have been surprised with the quotation. First quotation they gave us in 2013, which was $89,000. And the estimated area was 3.5 kilometers, the grid extension. And that was $89,000.
We discussed also with the Prime Minister is about our road. The road condition up here is really
I think we've seen that today.
it's really bad. If you go a bit further, your Honorable Minister, you'll see.
I have traveled a lot.
Oh yeah.
That's why I came back. I said,
Yeah,
let's
the
go
road
back
is
here.
really bad. It's really bad. And that road is our students from Koromakawa. They're traveling through the road, RSL, to school. And we're taking the risk of that because some of the bridges up there, I mean the culverts, they're half broken, you know. And that's we're taking a risk of that, to getting them through. And also the complaint from the driver. The driver already complained, if this the road remains in this condition, I'll just cut it off. I won't take your children, otherwise I'll be the one be blaming for this.
I mean, though this is not my ministry, but as part of our ministry's REACH program, we are reaching out to rural areas and facilitate your request. Like my ministry doesn't do roads, it doesn't do electricity, but we can take your voices to those authorities, and that's why the commissioner is here. And I'm sure you don't have to wait for next 20 years for something to happen. But you'd agree with me, like you said, there are priority areas, and if you have not been put in this year's work, well, definitely we'll push for work to be prioritized for next year for your community. Because when we came pre-elections, when we came here, we saw what the situation was here, and that is why for this northern tour I said, okay, let's go back and visit the communities. Normally what happens, people come during elections and never show their face, so we don't want to be like that. Our government's priority is improving lifestyles in rural areas, and I hope today's discussions will lead to some positives in the future, so that you don't wait for another 20 years to get electricity or get your roads fixed in the next 20 years. So I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow. It might not happen this year, but definitely we will push for your developments in next year. And we have the commissioner here who's assured us that he will be in touch with you.